Alrighty, so now that SaharaAI is now officially live, everyone that was using the testnet, such as gaining shard, doing whatever, literally any kind of task, you should be eligible to get some SAHARA. Eligible contributors can now claim their SAHARA. This is the website, and it says you have 15 months from today to claim your tokens. So that's pretty good. You have literally a year and 3 months to claim all your tokens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly copy this link. Now I have 4 on this account, 4 on this account, and 4 on this account. Now this is the testnet. This is not the real one. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste that in. Now you also want to make sure that you have the Binance Smart Chain network added as well. It will be asking you to add that. And look at that. So my total allocation for this first address is 13.2, but my available tokens are 5.79. And the reason because of that is the unlock schedule. After claiming, your tokens will be available according to the schedule. Immediate unlock, a portion of your allocation is available right away. So that's my one that's available right away. And then there's a 6-month unlock period. So the remaining whatever's left over, I don't know the exact math on this right now, but whatever tokens I don't receive, they will be locked up for about 6 months. And then after 6 months, they will be unlocked. And the exact amounts will be shown in the wallet, obviously. You have 15 months from the token generation event, aka the TGE. So we are going to claim this token. I really hope we don't need any BNB or something to pay for gas to claim this, because I don't have anything in these wallets. Yep, we gotta send some BNB over. Well, I'm gonna have to do this after, because I don't have any BNB in my wallets at the moment. We'll be back in a few seconds with the updated clip. And just like that, bada bing, bada boom, we got 3 cents on all of our accounts. I do not need $1 or so in each account. I only need a few cents. Because at the moment, I believe it is 1 cent to actually claim it, and then it'll probably be another cent to send it or swap it or such. So I want to make sure I have enough on hand. If not, I can always just send myself more. It does not matter. But we are now going to start claiming. Time to start claiming our money. Now we're going to have the transaction pop up and confirm. I'm also going to unplug my Trezor because that does not need to stay plugged in my computer, or my other computer, I mean. Beautiful. That has been claimed. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Time to claim the next small batch of 4 tokens. So we're going to move the heart over there. Oh, so cute. We're going to pay our 1 cent fee. Curious what this next stage in 180 days means. Claimed that. Nice and beautiful. Can go over here and claim this one as well. Triangle. Oh, I fucked that up. Went too far. Pay our 1 cent transaction fee. I just realized on all 3 of these, even though it shows I'm on my first account, I just realized on these it's all the last accounts still connected. So I guess we're working our way up, because I forgot to do this. There we go. That is perfectly fine. Working our way up from the bottom to the top. Pay another 1 cent on this one. Ooh, don't overshoot it. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. What? I don't understand what happened. Claim my tokens. I don't know why it is being like this. What about this one? Is this one going to be annoying? I don't know why it's saying the HTTP request is off. What? Don't be like this. Huh. What could it be? Why is it not giving me my money? Can you help me solve this mystery? There we go. Confirm that. Gonna get our 7.01 SAHARA claimed. Time to do this one. I don't know if it's my IP address that was doing it, but alright. Let's hope this one works nice and clean. Don't know why some of those other ones are giving me a little bit of trouble. Oh, well, that's just being a little shit nibbler, isn't it? I don't know why it's giving me these HTTP request errors. I don't like that it's doing this. This is annoying. So for some reason, we have them on 2. Try to get the 3rd. I don't know why it's doing this. Claim token. This is very annoying. Trying to claim my SAHARA, and it is giving me errors. What does it mean HTTP request failed? I don't understand. It doesn't make any sense. I don't understand why it's not wanting to work. This is pretty straightforward. 3 of them have already worked. We got 9 to go. 9 to go. Come on. Claim. Bro, stop pissing me off right now. I literally got stuff to do today, and it's doing this already to me. What the fuck? This is actually annoying. This is actually super annoying. I'm literally just trying to claim my shit. So this SAHARA might not be going as swiftly as I thought it was. Claim. Okay, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Got another one. We are getting closer. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's be. Yes, we're doing good. This one's being good. Thank you. Thank you. 1 more left on this one. Just uno momento, por favor. Then we're gonna connect that, right? Yeah. Then we're gonna do our little make sure that I'm a person. And then come on, please, please, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Don't be like this. Don't be It was so close. Watch, it's gonna give me the HTTP request. Yep, you're posting. Well, again, we're changing the IP address and we're going back again. We need to get our claims. We need to get our claims. I honestly thought this was gonna be a lot quicker, a lot more straightforward, but I guess they don't want that. They want me to struggle. They want to see me struggle. So we're gonna put that on there, and then hopefully a pop-up. Yes, we want that instant pop-up. You don't want to wait a few seconds. If you're waiting a few seconds, it's already telling you something you don't want to know. Beautiful. Aruba, Jamaica. Ooh, I wanna take you down to Kokomo. We gotta connect this one. Claim tokens. Let's see this instant pop-up. Ready? We want to see an instant pop-up. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Alrighty. We almost have all of our Sarah, whatever. Connect this account. Well, that's upsetting. Show me the error already. Come on, just pop up the error. Annoying. So we have it claimed on 3 out of 4. We have it claimed on 3 out of 4. And then we have it claimed 2 out of 4. We're gonna do this one. I feel like it's my third accounts that are, I don't know what it is. The third accounts just don't want to go through. So we're gonna reload this. We gonna connect this one. Click claim tokens. We're gonna get this pop up first. And then we're gonna want to see the 2-second pop up. 1, 2. Yes. Okay, there we go. We've secured 9 out of 12 airdrops so far on my accounts. Let's go for the other 3. We're gonna change the IP address again. I don't know why it's doing this to me. The ones that have the most, it's not giving it to me. Literally my 3 addresses with the most. They're like, nah, you can wait. You don't need it. All right, 1, 2, 3. Fuck, that's annoying. Try again on this one. Like, is it just these purposely? I don't understand it. I don't understand it. 1, 2, 3. No pop-up. Come on, please. Just give me my last 3. Please, it's all I want. And then, I mean, I'll try to swap. I don't know if it's going to allow me. And no claim. Why are you being like... Why is it being like this? I don't understand. Well, I kind of understand the lock, or the 6-month unlock date. So this is the amount that it immediately gives you. After 6 months, literally after 6 months, it unlocks 2.9 for you. Well, for me. And then after another month, another 2.9, and another 2.9 for a continuous 6 months. So yes, you have a 6-month lockup, and then you have a 6-month cliff, which is 6-month lockup and the 6-month cliff. So it's kind of annoying, but that's also how they prevent their market cap from literally just collapsing. Although, I don't know why they're doing this to me. They're not giving me my last few. Been at this for like half an hour now. I'm gonna reload it, connect. Come on, give me my tokens. That is so annoying. You know, we're just gonna close them, and then we're just gonna open them back up. You're not supposed to be connected. All right, come on. I need you to work with me now. This is pretty straightforward. I don't know how it's worked on the other ones, but then for this one, there's just like, oh, no connection. There's a problem. We're not gonna give you your stuff. 1, 2. Why? This makes 0 sense. Why is it on my accounts that have the biggest portion? It's just like, nope, no speaking the English. Like, what the fuck? Like, there's no chance that there's like so many people trying to claim this right now that it's not allowing me to claim it. Okay, pop-up isn't even, there we go. Come on, let's see your 3, 2, 1, pop-up. Go fuck yourself. Now I'm actually getting salty. Why are these connected? I had them disconnected. Claim. If this isn't gonna work now, I'm just gonna have to come back later to fucking keep trying to claim them. 3, 2, 1. Got it. I'll go fuck myself. Well, I got my claim on fucking 9 out of my 12 accounts. I don't know why the ones that have the largest portion are not giving them to me. They're kind of just like, sorry. It's not working right now, which is very upsetting. Do they have anything to say about this? Huh? Nope. Trading on BitGet. How about you give me my damn Sarah? Huh? Well, the price is kind of staying steady, but I feel like that market cap could also drop pretty damn well. It would also be nice if it fucking doubled or tripled or quadrupled. But god damn, just give me my tokens. Give me my tokens. I spent the time sending BNB to all my addresses. Fine, I guess I'll just have to come back in a few hours or tomorrow to finish claiming these, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. If I'm able to claim these later today or tomorrow, they'll be in the same video, but if not, I'll probably make another video of me claiming just those 3 addresses, because I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know. Either way, you guys have a great day. We'll see you soon. Have a good one.
Metal mask, how long will it last? Oh no, FOMO kicked in like a dojo. By now or never, YOLO. Feeling like the crypto Pablo. Scared man don't make no money shit, you know the motto.